Hou je kop op water. Anders dan ga je de team maken. Ik zie levenspijn, even klein. En ik weet hoe ze taf en het is uit te survive. Hou je kop op water. Anders dan ga je de team maken. Ja, doe wat je neighbors, wat zijn ze zich weer. Maar voor die jazz 4 is er voor jouw eigen dier. Ja.
Hij is een kwaad man. Ja! Kom maar, kwaad man!
Skarel bij mijn bitch, alles RIP, me ook op beef. Krijg jou aan een hobby. Als een body holy school is van die police. Score ik liefde die nummers van de poli. Ey, city boys naar die mojerie. Mojerie, spoken rappers zelfs wannabes. Morgen op ik aan mijn energy. En ik pull up met de Hennessy. Maar niggas aan jacks. Liekers mee remmen, je gooi van mijn flax. Trap aan mijn lach, die een vat als ik kracht. Kom zoals een nachtmerrie, spoken in nacht. Wat mij net aan is, je diep in je graf.
Yo, it's your favorite white boy reactor, D-Dog, the GOAT, brap. And I told you guys I'm going to be back with more bangers, and you guys didn't want to believe me on my last video when I told you that I'm back in action with more reactions. And guys, I just want to let you guys know, I have a playlist now with probably close to 1,000 tracks that I must still do reactions on. So you guys are going to be seeing a buttload of tracks getting dropped or with reactions to it, or tracks that you might know, or even tracks that you wish you should have known, but you didn't, and now it's your chance to know. So turn those notifications on and subscribe to the channel and like the video, because we're in tune with another banger for the books, and this is a certified banger. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, man. I've seen this video, I've seen this video, yes. Sorry, I know, my bad. I know, we're supposed to look at it together, I know. Don't attack me now. But anyways, yeah. This music video is actually an old track of Jimmy G from a Evil Deeds mixtape that he dropped last year. And now he's only making a music video for this track at the moment, called Kop Hoë Water with Official White. And I always thought I'm the Official White.
Excuse me, was you saying something?
I thought I was gonna be the Official White guy in the buy, because, you know, I'm the white reactor. I'm the wigger jigger figure book.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Jigger wigger.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Yeah, I thought I was gonna be that white guy. But now there's a guy named Official White, and he's not even white. Pana.
You see now, see Damien Richardson, T-Dog. I see Burki, I see Khaled, bro.
Oh yeah, we're not on an alcohol lane. This is 2026. We move differently. We move with coffee. Oh, I'm excited to check out this track because Jimmy G is such a legend in this game. His name carries a lot of weight on it. So when someone mentions Jimmy G, you know they're mentioning his name for a reason. So if you see his name in a song, you already know it's going to be a legendary track. You know that. I'm not overhyping Jimmy because I know Jimmy. I'm speaking of Varite, bro. Jimmy is one of my favorite rappers in South Africa. That's including Cape Town and Johannesburg and all those other places in South Africa.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
But yeah, we got Jimmy G with the first music video for 2026, Kop Bo Water with Official White. And when last have you seen a Jimmy G music video events, guys? Jimmy G's been so scarce in the music videos.
It's back! It's back!
Please tell him, man, to come back to the videos, man. We miss this old school proper fucking rap, bro. So where's the music videos? Why are you hiding? Don't have to be scared. Don't have to be scared. You're with a white guy. Official White. But yeah, without further ado, oh yes, please, everybody that's watching this and wants me to react to their music video or audio out on YouTube, please leave the links in the description. I mean, in the comments. Please leave the links in the comments so I can check it out and react to it. But please, guys, if your quality is bad, it doesn't mean that you are bad. It just means that you have to level up with your productions or your gear and stuff. But that is okay. That is okay. But as long as the audio or the music video is clear and then it's sharp. But let's get into it without further ado. Oh yeah. Yeah. Why are you looking at me like that, mate, bro? You wanna beef? Huh? You wanna beef? Just this man's looking at me like he wants to fight me, bro.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Just hit you with my cup. 1, 2, 3. Unbelievable. For y'all that don't know, this is Official White, the bra in the red cap. That's Official White. We living in crime, living in tough times. Here in the ghetto, it's hard to survive. And that, there's too much to be said about that. There's way too much to be said about that. But you must keep your head above water. At all times, keep your head above water or you're not going to make it in this life. What he means about you must keep your head above water. You know what he means by that? Is that you must keep your eyes open and must keep your head on top of everything. You must be aware of your surroundings and aware of what's going on, because if you're going to play stupid, if you're going to play the fool in this life, if you're going to play the image of a fool, you are not going to make it. You are going to die. And that's the Varite. That's the Varite.
What will you learn? What will you learn?
Hey! Okay, I can see that Jimmy G's using more auto-tune than he used to use back in 2014 and the early 2000s, I think, like the late 2000s. He's using a bit more auto-tune than he did back then. It's not bad. I'm not saying it's bad. It's good, but I feel like he could lower down the auto-tune a bit, because Jimmy G is one of those old school rappers that never really used auto-tune that much. It's like those 90s type of rappers that don't care about auto-tune, like what is even auto-tune? But what did he raise him in?
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
Oh, je neighbors, wat zijn ze zich weer? Maar voor die jazz 4 eerst voor jouw eigen dier. Ja, nee, wat de fuck is soms zoals het gebeurt?
Damn. Judged by your own neighbors. That whole stuck there, bro. This is not that Jimmy G where he's going bar for bar. This is him speaking from the heart, my bro. When last have you heard a Jimmy G track where he actually spoke from the heart? Because you know all his tracks, but it's just bar for bar. It's just bar for bar. But yo, I fuck with your message here, bro. And official white, I fuck with your message here.
Oh, je neighbors, wat zijn ze zich weer? Maar voor die jazz 4 eerst voor jouw eigen dier. Ja, nee, wat de fuck is soms zoals het gebeurt? Ik is een pa van 4 dochters, zo ik voel zeer.
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
Verslaafd aan wijn.
What the hell happened with Jocelyn? I'm a father of 4 daughters, so I feel that pain. If you guys don't know about the case with Jocelyn, it's a sad tragedy that happened last year. One of the first few cases that broke out that shook the whole entire South Africa. Now, Jocelyn got sold. I'm not going to go into the whole entire story, but long story short, Jocelyn got sold. And now Jimmy's saying that he's got 4 daughters himself. So that feeling of knowing that that little girl that was so young got sold overseas or whatever, got sold to whoever, that made him so, because he's just thinking, imagine someone had to sell one of my daughters. How am I going to feel about it? I'm going to feel hartseer. Damn.
Was blij laagste aan die lijn van ons zoveel keer als brein.
Yeah, I just play it to go into another bar, man. Yo. They don't want us to succeed. They don't want us on the surface. They don't want us to be thriving in Bowens. They don't want to see a colored man do good in life. They want to see him at the bottom. And that is true though. I know a lot of people here are going to report me or whatever for what I'm about to say. But like with that, the police put guns and put drugs in the beginning into northern areas, and they still do this shit, eh? But they put this stuff into the northern areas.
What did you say?
And amongst the colored communities. I'm not being racist, okay? But amongst the colored communities. So that the gangsters can get a hold of those guns and those drugs, and the other gangsters can get hold of drugs and guns, and then they're gonna want each other's guns and drugs, and then they're gonna fight each other for that shit that the police imported to them. And sometimes the police would even tip off them about the other gang. They never even knew each other or mentioned each other. This whole government and this whole fucking world is twisted.
What are you talking about?
My apologies for the technical difficulties and the change of scenery. I had to switch it up like the switches here in my room. Oh wait, but let's get back into it, man. Was blij laagste aan die lijn van ons zoveel keer als brein. Hou my kop oor water van niks getrain. Want niks getrain, wat ek hou myself boe op die lijn. Moet ek maar as die jare my kom hou. How am I going to make when Jesus comes and takes me one day? How am I going to make? Noba, if Jesus comes down on Judgment Day and takes all these Christians and all these people up with him, like in the book of Revelations they say. But or when I just lose my life one day and then Jesus has to come there to take me, how am I going to am I going to be ready? Am I ready for this? Am I ready for Jesus to come take me out of this life? Yo.
Vat moet ik zeggen? Als ik mijn prijs moet betalen.
What must I say when I have to pay my price? What must I say? What is there for me to say? What left is there for me to say for the price that I have to pay with my life? Deep shit, deep shit.
Ik zie levensblind, leven geheim. En de ghetto was het tough en het is hard to survive. Hou je kop op water, anders dan je het die maakie. Ik zie levensblind, leven geheim. En de ghetto was het tough en het is hard to survive.
You know one thing I know about Jimmy G, né? Is every single music video, he always keeps it old school. Like this bro has been one of those rappers from the early 2000 days. So he still got the gedachte of like Tupac and Biggie and all those like old school type of rappers. And if you actually listen to old school music, you would see like 85% of their music videos is all shot in the ghetto and all shot in their upbringings. And I know Jimmy G was born in Bloemendal, but I fought with that is showcasting Mission Vale's ghetto and like showing people that this place is forgotten, but it's united. Everyone is together. We all united. Verstaan? That's why I fuck with this video. It's real culture. Okay. I must say, without further ado, I have to announce this, that this was a banger for the books. Bah! A banger for the books, a certified banger. I know this is a old track from his mixtape that dropped last year, but still, this track is still relevant to this day, going into this year. The perfect way to start off the new year is with this track, with this music video. And if you guys enjoyed this one, we're going to be coming with way more bangers back to back, so keep posted for that. Subscribe to the channel so you guys can keep updated with each and every single new drop that comes out by D-Dog, D-Dog the GOAT. You know what it is. This was a banger for the books. I hope you enjoyed and stay tuned for the next one, man. Yeah, we out.